Welcome to my channel, Stacey Fowler Creations. I am Stacey Fowler. If this is your first time to my channel, a very special welcome. And if it's not your first time, still a very special welcome. You are at my playlist, How to Teach Your Child to Read Quickly. These steps are guaranteed to work because I use them with my students. If you missed some of the videos on this playlist, not to worry. Click on the link that is being displayed on your screen now. It will take you to the playlist. Please watch this video to the end because I have a lot of useful resources that I will share with you throughout this video. We are at our 12th diagraph, and let's look on our number 12 diagraph today. The diagraph is ing. Ing make the sound ig. Ing make the sound ig. Ing make the sound ig. Let's look at some examples with this diagraph. The first word is ig, 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 and you get the word pig. Well, not you, the student. So remember, my parents, or if you are a teacher, you're not the one that should make the sound of the letters or diagram. Is your child or student. And once the child pronounces the word correctly, then please congratulate the child. Let it be exciting. Do dances. Make the child smile and say, "That is funny." And you say, "I know these moves just come in my body when I see smart children. Let me see how many more words you know and how many more moves will come in my body." And the child will have fun learning and you will have fun teaching. Let's look on another example. It's the word wig. Wig. You get the word wig. And our final example with this diagraph is dig. Dig. And you get the word dig. I keep saying you. Please know when I say you, I'm actually talking about my little friends, okay? So it's a child or student, whether you're a teacher or a parent, because I do cater for teachers or parents who want to homeschool their child on this channel. Now, after the child pronounces the word each time, I tell you, you need to congratulate the child. I make your job very easy when you come to this channel. Stick around, you're going to know how. We're now at the step where you're going to do sentence writing and spellings. First is the spellings. So you give the child spellings with words with the diagraph that you had taught that are not on your flashcards. If you need to make your flashcards virtually, there's a link in the description of this video as well as all my videos on this playlist, how I make my flashcards virtually and download into my device to teach my students. I've also included a list of words that I use with this diagram and sentences. See how I make your job super easy for coming to my channel? So you would give the child spellings from words that were not on the flashcards that they just pronounced. Then you give sentence writing. The sentence writing can be a combination of words from your flashcards or from what you had given them as spellings. For the sentences, do not make them over 5 words. I normally recommend 4 to 5 words. Very rare I go over that amount of words in the sentences. After the child writes the sentences, the next step is to have the child read those sentences to you. It will encourage the child to continue. Sometimes the child will even ask, "Can we do some more?" Because the excitement of being able to read what they have written, to know they spell the words on their own without any help. So please, my next step is I need your help. So I'm sharing a lot of useful resources with you here. And I still have more. There's a book that I've written and illustrated. This book is available on Amazon. The link for the book is in the description below. Please click on it, the link, make a purchase of this book, and when you do so, rate the book on Amazon. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you're missing out because the opportunity is there for you to win books from me. You never can tell what I'll be giving away on this channel, and you don't want to miss out on that. So please, pretty please help me out. Support my work by making a purchase of this book. We've come to the end of the video. As I told you, my work pretty easy to follow. I just want to say, if you have found the information in this video helpful, then please, pretty please, click on that subscribe button. And while you're doing so, click on the notification bell that you may be notified when I upload new work. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Like and share my work, and I would love to hear from you. So leave me a comment below and I'll respond. Until next time, I love you. Bye bye.